Hello everyone. So in this video we will do some basic filtering and sorting of a dataset of by using Python libraries, right? And the dataset that I'll be using is for Chipotle's restaurant, and I have got the dataset from this link and you can download this from here. So first we'll start by importing our library. So let's import that. Okay, then we need to assign it to a variable called Chipo. So we'll do this. Then first print the first 5 row like that. All right, now it says how many products cost more than $10, $10.00 from this column. Now when there is a dollar assigned to it, means this particular thing is a string, it's not a integer or a float, right? So we need to convert it into a floating number. So that's why we need to clean the item price column and transform it in a float. We'll do that by using float value of 1 to -1. If each instance value is a string, then we need to convert this. Otherwise, if it's a string, then we'll simply ignore the first digit, we'll ignore this dollar sign. Else, if it is a float value, then we'll simply take that one. Then we'll simply reassign the column with the clean prices. So cheapo.item price, we have prices. Then we need to delete the duplicate in the item name and quantity, and we'll do that by using drop of duplicates. Then we need to select only the products with quantity equals to 1. So this cheapo underscore filtered dot quantity is equals to 1 gives us the values with only one time. Then we need to run the query cheapo dot query item price, which is greater than 10, and dot item name n unique, we need to find the unique item name that cost over $10. So if you run it gives us the number 31. So 31 items have price over $10. Then it says what is the price of each item. So again, for that we'll delete the duplicates in item name and quantity. We'll do that using this cheapo.duplicate function. That's it. Then we need to select only the products with quantity equals to 1. We'll do that by using cheapo underscore filter dot quantity. We need to set that up to 1. Then we'll select the item name and item price columns only. And after that we'll simply sort the values by item price in ascending order, and we'll print the first 20 rows, and it gives us the value by sorting of ascending order. So stick salad bowl, these are the highest price. Then the second highest price is steak burrito. Okay, now our sixth question is sort by the name of the item. So for that we'll use sort underscore values. So cheapo dot item name dot sort values. It sorts the column name by their name wise. Then it says what was the quantity of the most expensive item order. So we'll cheapo dot sort values, will sort the column by item price in ascending order. Right, so it's chips and fresh tomato salsa. This is the more expensive item ordered with 15 time, and its price is $44. Now it says how many times was a veggie salad bowl ordered. So cheapo salad will assign it with cheapo dot item name, will set it up to veggie salad bowl, and will assign it to cheapo salad. Then we'll find out the length. So veggie salad has been ordered 18 times. Then it says how many times did someone ordered more than one can soda. So cheapo drink streak bowl, in this variable will assign cheapo dot item name to can soda, and another condition that the quantity have to be more than 1. Then the length is 20 times. So 20 times someone have ordered more than one can soda. So this is some basic syntax practices for filtering and sorting your datasets. So yeah, thanks for watching.